What if education was more than just learning? What if it was a journey of discovery, growth, and belonging? At St. Mary's International College, every day begins with purpose. From the quiet moments of preparation in our comfortable hostels to the anticipation of a new day, our students embrace a vibrant community where they are nurtured and inspired. We believe in holistic development, nurturing not just minds, but spirits. Whether finding solace in the chapel or reflection in the mosque, St. Mary's International College provides a foundation for spiritual growth. Fueling body and mind, our refectory is a hub of connection. The heart of St. Mary's International College beats in our classrooms and state-of-the-art facilities. From unraveling scientific mysteries to mastering digital innovation, expressing creativity through art and music, or diving deep into knowledge in our library, every space is designed for excellence. And because well-being is paramount, our dedicated infirmary ensures every student feels safe, cared for, and ready to thrive. Our extracurricular activities room offers a space for relaxation and camaraderie, while our expansive sports facilities challenge and inspire. Here, students learn teamwork, discipline, and the joy of healthy competition, building character on and off the field. St. Mary's International College, where potential meets purpose. Discover a world-class education, a vibrant community, and a future without limits. Admissions are open. Your journey starts here.